If you're looking for awesome seafood starter recipe, this is the right one for you because we are making chili prawns. It's spicy and flavorful. Let's start. For marination, you need 1 egg, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, and 1 tablespoon garlic paste, and 1 teaspoon pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. Add salt to taste and mix it well. Now add 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and mix it well. Add clean and deveined prawns and mix it well. Keep the marinated prawns for 30 minutes in a refrigerator, or you can keep it out. For the next step, to make a corn flour slurry, you need 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of water and mix it well. Now time to fry the prawns. Make sure the oil is hot while adding the prawns, otherwise the marination layer will fall off. Fry both the sides for 2 minutes in a high flame or medium high flame, but don't overcook the prawns. I have added some of the leftover oil from the frying the prawns to this. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger finely chopped and 2 tablespoons of garlic finely chopped. Cook this till the raw aroma goes away. Then add 2 green chilies and 2 tablespoons of spring onion. Chop the spring onion and keep it in a Ziploc cover and freeze it. This will stay for long and use it when you need. Saute it for a minute. I'm adding 3 medium-sized onions. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 medium-sized capsicum or bell pepper. You can add any color, green or yellow, according to the availability. Add salt and saute it for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of red chilli sauce. And add 1/4 cup of water. Bring the sauce to boil. Then add corn flour slurry. After adding the corn flour mix, immediately add the fried prawns. Toss them to coat with the sauce really fast. If you feel the need to add little more salt in this stage, please add. If you like this recipe, you can check out my prawns roast recipe. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching.